All right. So Power BI, basically we've been doing, again, I'm Maryann Wood. I guess I should go back a little bit. Most people know me. I think I'm going to become Maximo Maryann. I think that'll be my new title. But I have been with Schlam PUD, just retired with 30 years in. And so I've been doing Maximo for just as long as I've been at the PUD. And we have done a lot with Maximo. We're getting ready to move to Mass. And we've done quite a bit with Power BI. So I'm going to show you a few things that I've done, a few things that our teams have done. We are using Power BI for almost everything now. In fact, we're moving everything that was in Crystal over to Power BI. So it's going to be now the main product we're going to be using. And let's get started. So again, I'm introduced myself. So when I started with Power BI, I started very simply, and some of the most simplistic Power BI dashboards I've done that are being used all the time and every day, which has gone really well, is I've done dashboards for my crews. So for power generation, we have electricians and mechanics. I've made two dashboards, and any of the foremen can open up these dashboards and they can go look by supervisor, pull up the foreman and see all the work orders that are in progress and approved. And I have the links there that can take them right into Maximo if they want to. And they are using it all the time. So that was a really good, kind of return on investment for me, knowing I put a dashboard out there that everybody's using. Again, super simple, but it's being used all the time. And, some of the questions I got from people when I was done this presentation a few times were, well, why do you need that when you're already in Maximo? And yes, I'm in Maximo every single day and all the time, but the foremen are not. So this gives them a quick, easy way to go look at all the work orders they have in progress and approved. Another use that we didn't expect, but we are using it for, is our tool room actually really liked it. So we put up a TV monitor and display these dashboards for them so that they can actually quickly look up a foreman and see the work that they're working on so that they can pick up the work order for the charges. So that's another use for that. Next slide, please. So here's basically some dashboards that we've done just to kind of display the information. Again, I like using the links. I think that's a great idea. So you can click the link and go right into the dashboard or right into your work order. Next screen, please. And here's one, as I was explaining, I can put things like the foreman, people can pick it by the user. Again, kept it really simple for the foreman, and they are using it all the time. So I'm really happy about that. And these are just a couple of dashboards that some of the other teams are doing. So I just put them out there for sharing. This is our asset management department. And this was a pretty interesting, I really loved the concept of this, is they put in metrics to say, what is the completeness of my assets? Do they have all the information that we want on it? And we're getting more departments, generation, we're on top. This is where hydro generation asset management started. And so all the other asset management departments are now pulling this in. Still have a little more work to do on them, but this is a great display to show them where they're at. Next slide, please. And again, here's another asset management completeness dashboard, just showing you some of the metrics that they're using and looking at. And next slide, thank you. And again, another asset management. This is their criticality dashboard, which we've been doing a whole nother subject, but the PUD has been doing criticality assessment for quite some time, and really excited to get to Mass where we could start using more of those features. So we're really excited about that. And next slide. And here's some dam safety meter readings. Again, going out and getting those reads. They're coming back into Maximo. And these are some of the reports they put together to display their meters. And that's starting another big project that we're starting. And next slide, please. Again, Power BI, this is how we're using it. We're using both the desktop and the BI service. So most of our things are created in Power BI desktop, and then we publish them to the service, and growing every single day. So more and more people are using it. We have quite a few analysts at the district. So almost every group has someone who's doing Power BI. So it's not going to one central place, though we do have a central Power BI department or BI department who are amazing, and they're great to help out with any questions that we have. And we have a great community of Power BI users. So we have our own little in-house community, which is awesome. Next slide, please. And that is pretty much it. This is a cute, I don't know how many of you have done this, but I found this when I was first searching. This little, to the right, the little fish is actually a little fun little visualization you can do. And the blue fish is the most work orders. And then it goes down in size. I just thought that was kind of fun and cute. Okay, that is all I have. Does anybody have any questions?